What will win in a drag race between a Ferrari 488 Pista that's a little bit special and a McLaren 750S? Well, we're going to find out by racing them over the stunning quarter mile. The Ferrari 488 Pista Spider has a 3.9 litre twin-turbo V8, which normally produces 720 horsepower and 770 Nm of torque. It's sent to the rear wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. The car weighs in at 1,485 kilograms, and however, this one has £17,000 worth of upgrades, including upgraded turbos, new downpipes and an ECU tune. It now produces 920 horsepower and 870 Nm of torque. This power worth £400,000. Most importantly, however, Yianni thinks it's completely standard. The McLaren 750S Spider has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 with 750 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque, 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. That drives the rear wheels. The car weighs in at 1,438 kilograms from £277,000. So let's do a sound test first. I'm going to start up by revving my 3.9 twin-turbo V8. Quite similar, aren't they?
I was about to say exactly the same thing.
Anyway, come on, let's do this roof race. Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, he's won. Oh, bollocks. Launch. Oh, bugger, this car won't go into launch. Oh, no. We've got a gearbox fault. Let's turn it off. Car wash mode activation, parking brake. What's going on with this car? Let's lock it.
A few moments later.
All right. Do we have the gearbox fault? Do we have the gearbox fault? Oh, wait, is that an engine warning light fault? We've replaced the gearbox fault.
A few moments later.
The owner of this car lent it to his friend. His friend was drinking coffee, accelerated too fast and spilled coffee everywhere. The coffee got into the buttons, especially the button for the launch control, and it now sticks in.
If there isn't, then we're on something.
Right, there you go. Try it now.
No way if this works. Don't give me a gearbox fault. Engine warning light, but that does go away. Operation not admissible. And the gearbox fault has gone off. Some tuned cars with modified ECUs rely on a dedicated GPS link to accurately measure the car's speed. If this link was compromised, the modified ECU might think the car was moving slightly when it's actually stationary, and this could explain why it won't go into launch control.
3, 2, 1.
Was it an hour?
Yes, an hour waiting for you to sort launch control.
Still not working. All right, next.
3, 2, 1.
Come on. Calling me? Come on! No! This is supposed to have 900 horsepower and it's being beaten by something with 750. It walked past me even though I got the better start.
This is a proper car. Didn't realise how fast it is.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the McLaren won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 10.4 seconds. The Ferrari took 10.8 seconds. Right, now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour, cars in third gear over the half mile. 3, 2, 1, go. that was really close. Should we move on to a brake test?
All right then, let's go.
If you want to check out really amazing lead still I found through CarWow, click on the Oh, just that little bit at the end did me. Nice little win for you again, Yianni. So brake test and drag, I win the rolling. However, this isn't a standard McLaren 720S. It has a fully built 4-litre twin-turbo V8 from MSL Performance. So it produces 1,115 horsepower and 1,315 newton meters of torque. Instead of 720 horsepower and 770 newton meters, like the 750S, it has a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox and is rear-wheel drive. It weighs in at 1,419 kilograms and is worth around £200,000. Okay then, Yianni, 2 McLarens. Hopefully this will launch. Have a listen to mine with the tuned exhaust.
It's world's fastest McLaren, and it's got the half-mile, quarter-mile, and what it does 100 to 150 and 100 to 200.
So this could be a very, very close race. You may even win. If you do win, I'm going to have to go full bore and drive it without the stability on. But for now, I'm going to play it safe.
Oh my God!
Oh, okay, that was good.
Wow, that's so this is fast, but wow.
Before that though, let's find out what exactly happened. Well, the tuned 720S won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 9.9 seconds. The 750S took 10.2 seconds.
Okay, right, let's do the brake test. If you'd rather see another drag race, click here. If not, stay here and see what happens. Ah, it's fun being Matt. Don't do the paddle cheat either. Well, that's pretty even Stevens. I think I'm just behind you.
It was a little bit bumpy on my side. There was a huge bit of dust.